Cross proposed their theory of performance pyramid in 1991. Performance pyramid model derives from the idea that an organization operates at different levels, each of which has a different focus. However, it is vital that these different levels support each other. Thus, the pyramid links the business strategy with day-to-day operations. The performance pyramid looks something like this. As you can see, it is a 4-level performance pyramid that links the corporate strategy with the operations through the hierarchy by translating objectives from the top and measures from the bottom. I personally love this performance pyramid by Richard Lynch and Calvin Cross, but even this great model does not fit the glove of public sector organizations. However, one theory proposed by Andy Neely, Chris Adams and Mike Kennelly, published in 2002 in their paper titled as The Performance Prism, the scorecard for measuring and managing business success, is worth a closer look. They call their performance management framework a performance prism. The most important element of this new framework is that it not only recognizes the existence of stakeholders which are currently not considered stakeholders for the performance management framework, but it also requires them and quantifies their contribution. There is a quid pro quo between all its stakeholders and shareholders except something from the public sector organization. But the public sector organization also wants something in return.
Book your appointment now through our website caffe.com.pk or email us at info@caffe.com.pk. Please follow Caffe Associates on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter X, TikTok, Instagram.